You can now use your favorite software agent like Cursor, Claude Code or Codex to create exciting AI frames directly from your repo. So if you are inside, for example, one of your code bases, you can instruct your software agent to create AI frames. For this, you have to start our time capsule repo locally. So once you have started, you have to go to AI frames. You will be able to use agents to create beautiful lessons like these, lesson plan like these. You can see these lesson plans can be quite detailed with quite a few concepts covered. And to do this, first you have to open. So let's delete the existing AI frames and we'll build from scratch. For this, we will open the builder and we will our intention is to build a lesson plan. We will not the software agent to build the lesson plan using this prompt. So you are working inside the repo. Your job is to populate time capsule. Populate the time capsule AI frame workspace with the learning plan. So once you input this particular prompt, you have to go to the top and copy this. So basically this wraps up your instruction in a very larger prompt, larger instruction. And then you can go to your coding agent and insert this. You can see on the right hand side we have inserted the prompt, and then one by one our agent will interact with time capsule AI frames. And finally, once it's done, it's ready with the payload, we can instruct the agent to push the payload to or push the AI frames to our application. So we'll hit enter. You can see Codex is working hard and it has already pushed the payload successfully, and it is asking us to go to this page again. So we are here on this page again, and let's close this particular dialog. And you can see that because the agent has completed the task, it is asking us to pull and sync. So you can either click on this button or on the button at the bottom called pull from local WE. We'll use this pull and sync, and you can see let's delete again. It's working hard again. Let's see if it's successful this time. It's saying it is pushed. Nice. Yes, it's here. This time, success. Maybe something went wrong. You can see this is a bit jumbled up. No worries. This time, success. There is an auto layout button at the top right corner. You just have to click on that, and you can see auto layout works really well, and you have neatly arranged AI frames one after the other. So you have chapters on the top connected to AI frame, and further these frames are connected to the next concept. You can even connect these chapters together manually if you want. You will have connected chapters. The better way to visualize all of this is via linear view, and you can click on chapter, and you can see all the chapters are neatly arranged, and we can navigate to any part of the chapter. We can even edit some chapter with the color whatever is required, and you can see list of concepts are attached here, updated. All changes are reflected here, and you can export this entire file and re-import it as many times as you want. So with this, our time capsule AI frames can work with Ollama, with Open Router, and now with local agents as well.